Aw, snap!
Kentucky DruggedChicken, fuck yeah!
Hey guys, so I finally decided to make a video. After 7 months. Yeah. So since a lot of you guys were so desperate to see my new video, and it's understandable. I mean, I haven't made video for 7 months and I'm supposed to upload 3 videos every week, and that's like 7 times 4, that's 28 weeks, 28 times 4, no, times 3, 28 times 3 is 7, no, I'm bad at this, is 84 videos, 84, yeah, 84 videos, yeah. This video contains 84 videos. Let's just pretend it's like that. Okay. Since a lot of people were really desperate to see my new video, I think I owe you an explanation why, what happened, where have I been, have I escaped to another universe, I don't know. So yeah, here it goes. August 2013. I uploaded my last video on August 7th, I think, I'm not sure. Like places to visit before I die, and it's one of my personal favorite videos, really, because I really put a lot of effort into it to find all those places, and since then, no videos. So in August, I met a lot of awesome people. I went places, I had a great time, and I simply felt like taking a break from YouTube, because I virtually revived my channel. The channel was dead back in January 2013. I started making videos, almost 3 videos every week. You know how much videos I made during that period, and I just wanted to take a break from YouTube. But I didn't want to be anything long, like maybe 1 month maximum. Seriously, I wasn't planning on making a big break from YouTube. So I was just enjoying my summer break and having a good time, and I didn't really want to make any new videos until I really wanted to, because I didn't want to make bad videos, because if I force myself to make videos, those wouldn't be the best videos that I would make, so I don't want to do that kind of things. August 2013, ninja'd. September 2013, my final year of my high school started, and that wasn't really an easy task, because I had my entrance exam in January this year, and I had to practice piano a lot and to prepare a huge repertoire, and the fact that I screwed up my attendance in September didn't really help. I went on therapies and I stopped practicing for like 10 days, and I was really panicking because I thought I couldn't make it, and it all happened because I tried to reach the bathroom window from, yeah, you see the picture, because as I stretched my arm, yeah, I like just stretched it too much, and yeah, it went, all hell broke loose. Just kidding. But at the end of September I went to Slovenia. Here are some pictures, and with my school musical, and it was a great experience. I had a blast there, like pictures. I had a blast. It was really one of my greatest trips ever. Really great time. October 2013. On 3rd of October 2013, hey! that's a palindrome, you see. So yeah, on 3rd of October 2013, nothing much happened, I don't know. So yeah, in October 2013 I went on a prom school trip, which is basically a school trip in the final year of the high school, and I went to Prague and Vienna, which was a really nice experience. I've seen places, photos. And yeah, if you ever happen to be in Central Europe, visit Carlsbad. Like this is one of the most beautiful cities I've ever been to. Seriously, just look at this. I mean, it's even in my place to visit before I die video, and I visited it and I really think it's worth it. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. Cheese! Yay! November 2013. In this point of time, I really felt like filming YouTube videos again, and I was really in the mood and everything was right, and I couldn't wait for the next weekend to make a video, but my lens broke on my Canon camera. And I just turned it on at one point and it just went like this, like it was really unusually tall, and like on the display it wrote like lens error or something like that, and yeah, it just stayed like that. There was no way in getting it back in, and I don't know, I was pissed off, I was angry, which is the same thing, and I was sad because I had a project running, like I took a picture of myself every day for like more than 2 years, and I really wanted that to last for more than 5 years or something like that, and at that time I really couldn't afford myself a new camera, and so I had to interrupt that project. I mean, the photos are still there. I will upload it probably on summer break. It's going to be like 2 years of materials, something more, but it's still not what I wanted it to be, so I was really disappointed. And even though I tried to repair it, I really wanted to have that Canon camera back, but the guys that tried to repair it said that they don't have the parts for it, so I was left without a camera. So even though I really wanted to make a comeback at this point, I was just prevented because I had no camera. December 2013. Well, back then, to be completely honest, YouTube was the last thing on my mind, because I had an entrance exam in January next month, and that was like the most important thing I ever had, because if I pass, I go to university. If I fail, I don't go to the university. And everyone expected me to pass. Everyone like already saw that I passed that exam. But of course, I was prepared and everything. But you know the burden when everything and everyone expects you to do something, and you just don't find it so easy. And I was practicing like mad, like 5 hours every day, and I really wanted to make a good impression on my entrance exam. And I had a New Year's Eve to organize, which turned out to be great, not saying. So me and my 3 friends, one of them being gamer Saklise, gathered around to celebrate New Year's Eve. And as I'm always the one who's like hyper in every group, like do this, do that, you know, you see, I do this in my every video. And I organized everything on my own, almost. Okay, I'm not saying that I did everything on my own, but 80% of stuff I did on my own. Like when we went shopping for groceries, like this is everything that we bought. Like we literally just went through the shelves and like this should be a good thing, like, and this like why not, like just buy it, and this is the result, and this is the receipt. Actually, I don't know if I have a photo of the receipt, so maybe you're staring at a piano right now. I don't know. So yeah, December 2013 was a really busy month for me, so no videos for you then, and I still had no camera, so double no videos for you, I guess. January 2014. My entrance exam was horrifyingly close. It was on 29th of January, and I was under a huge stress, and I was in some kind of a home prison for more than 20 days. Like no internet access, just playing piano, listening to some music, walking through the city and stuff like that. But fortunately, when 29th January came, It was like, rise and shine, it's your big day. And I did a great job, and I really was satisfied with my performance. I passed the entrance exam, I got into the university, I really scored a high score. And everyone was satisfied with my performance, and I was satisfied too. So yeah, there I bought a new camera. It was Sony WX60, and like after I passed my exam, my dad bought me as a present there, and I'm really satisfied because I got it at a super cheap price, and it has like even better specifications than my previous camera. Just wait for me to get a mirror. See, it looks like this. And it has some really cool features, like it has stereo sound, 8x optical zoom, 16.2 megapixels, and I can do this. These dramatic zoom-ins and zoom-outs during the video. And in all the madness surrounding my entrance exam, on the day before my entrance exam, 28th of January, I started watching My Little Pony Friendship is Magic. Why not? It's a great cartoon, and I don't find anything wrong in liking a children's cartoon. Yeah, that's cool. I mean, do you like SpongeBob? Yeah, we can relate. Even though I got a camera finally in January, I was just too busy to make a video because I had things to do, too much, and I had almost no internet access, so no YouTube for me then. February 2014. Well, I thought it was a good idea to sign up for a big international competition that was held on 7 to 17 March, which was a month and a half after my entrance exam. So I practiced like mad. I used every spare moment to practice. It was really I don't know how I didn't get sick back then, because I was practicing even more than for my entrance exam, and it was practically suicide because the categories were insane. I was in the category from 17 to 20, so I was basically the youngest competitor there. There were like students like from Mozarteum, which is one of the biggest universities in Europe for music, and I was competing with them. I didn't even finish my high school, and I thought it was a good idea to compete with them. Actually, it was a great experience. Moving on to March 2014, it was a great experience. I think I played really well. Jury members thought I played really well, and but I didn't pass to the next round. But honestly, I didn't expect to. I just wanted to play good and to leave a good impression, which I did, and so mission accomplished, yay. And now here we are. Finally, everything is over. Entrance exam, the competition, everything is over. And I finally decided to make a YouTube video, because I finally have time for it. I feel like making a YouTube video. And here's a YouTube video. This is a YouTube video. I'm making a YouTube video right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this presentation. My next video, creative video, is coming out next week, and I have something really special planned for it. I think you will really find it funny, and because the idea is quite interesting, I won't reveal anything to you, but it's quite an interesting idea. So yeah, thanks for watching this episode. See you next video. Bye!